Riverbanks can become hotspots for weeds, which spread their seeds through waterways or by the movement of animals through the riparian corridor. Weeds pose a significant threat by outcompeting native vegetation, by overgrowing existing trees or preventing their regeneration. Weed competition will be worse in disturbed areas where trees have been removed or livestock have regular access. The strategy you choose to control weeds depends on factors like the weed species present, their life cycle, their location and extent, and their impact on native vegetation. To manage weeds effectively, start with vine weeds like Madeira vine, Catskill creeper, balloon vine, or morning glory. These can be manually removed or treated with scraping and painting, followed by regular checks to prevent regrowth. If left unmanaged, vine weeds can significantly impact natural regeneration or your revegetation efforts. Woody weeds like camphor laurel or privet are known for producing lots of seeds, which may need a staged approach to removal to avoid the loss of habitat. In-place poisoning is recommended to stop these weeds spreading in riparian areas, as removing them completely will create more disturbance and leave riverbanks susceptible to erosion. Annual weeds are less harmful to natural regeneration, but will still need to be managed to reduce competition with native plants. Once shaded, they are easier to control. For help identifying or managing weeds, consult the local Land Services Weed Identification and Control Handbook or the New South Wales WeedWise app. Consider biological controls like specific insects, mites or diseases, and get advice from your local council weed officer. And remember, if using herbicides, always follow the instructions on the label and the legal requirements to use herbicides near waterways. Techniques like cut and paint, stem scraping and stem injection are effective for targeted chemical control, reducing environmental impact whilst getting rid of weeds. Mulching with natural materials can also suppress weed growth by shading and adding nutrients to the soil. Start small with frequent weed maintenance in smaller areas for greater long-term impact. Focus on areas with healthy native vegetation to build upon natural regeneration efforts. Learn more about weed control practices and resources at the New South Wales WeedWise website.